We are NBR Cooling Systems, redefining engine cooling. NBR embodies the fusion of innovation and dependability within the sphere of heat exchange solutions. As pioneers in this domain, we specialize in the precision manufacturing of superior quality, high-efficiency radiators, condensers, charged air coolers, and we offer custom-engineered cooling solutions designed specifically for original equipment manufacturers in diverse sectors. Our products cater to automotive, both internal combustion and electric vehicles, commercial vehicles, off-road vehicles, agricultural machinery, earth-moving equipment, locomotives, generators, compressors, and bar and plate heat exchangers. We uphold the principles of diligence, honesty, and reliability as the cornerstone of our operations. Our dedicated workforce personifies these values, thereby guaranteeing unparalleled excellence in every facet of our offerings. Driven by a commitment to spearheading innovation, we consistently surpass industry standards, drawing upon extensive experience to optimize our operational efficiency. At NBR's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, where precision meets efficiency, equipped with the latest technology and machinery, we employ advanced manufacturing processes to deliver superior products with unmatched precision and reliability. NBR Cooling Systems Core is our expansive production facility spanning 4 acres with over 1 lakh square feet of cutting-edge space where innovation thrives with precision and efficiency. Step into our raw material storage, the genesis of quality. NBR Cooling Systems adheres to sourcing only the finest raw materials from certified vendors, subjecting each to rigorous in-house screening protocols to meet our stringent quality standards. Our distinct product design and development process sets us apart, leveraging cutting-edge technologies like 3D modeling and simulation software. Our expert team meticulously crafts each component with precision and innovation, striving to surpass expectations from concept phase to realization. NBR has expertise to build rapid prototypes by using in-house facilities. Our commitment extends to comprehensive product development, leaving no stone unturned in perfecting our offerings. Heat exchanger, thermal performance test rig, also known as the wind tunnel test. We validate our 1D simulation designs using wind tunnel tests, ensuring prototype samples match software predictions and customer requirements. Back-to-back thermal performance tests maintain steady-state conditions, matching or enhancing customer sample performance. Pressure impulse or pressure pulsation test. This test ensures strength and reliability of radiator fin to tube joint and rigidness of tank sealing with header. This test simulates the actual working condition of the radiator during high and low pressure cycle of hot coolant at vehicle running condition. 3-axis electrodynamic shaker, also known as vibration test. Validating heat exchanger strength against high frequency and high displacement vibrations. This test simulates fatigue and vibration impacts. Heat exchangers must pass leak tests and maintain structural integrity post-vibration testing. Salt spray test. This evaluates steel parts plating and coating quality in corrosive environments, meeting ASTM B117 or customer-specified requirements. Our production arsenal is unparalleled, featuring state-of-the-art equipment like Seco, Warwick, cab furnace, press shops, fin machines, assembly machines, and crimping machines, ensuring efficiency and precision throughout the manufacturing process. Our press shop houses 12 power presses from 20 to 250 tons, ensuring precise and swift fabrication with in-house tool room. The Seco Warwick cab furnace underscores our commitment to advanced technology is non-negotiable. That's why we employ a Seco Warwick controlled atmospheric brazing with auto dual fluxer cab furnace, with high temperature uniformity for the production of high quality brazed cores. With this advanced technology, we guarantee superior performance and durability in every product we deliver. Our 10 core builders and 4 high-speed fin machines ensure unmatched production capability. Our facility isn't just space, it's a testament to innovation. Join us and experience the difference. Precision meets automation with our automatic clinching machine. This cutting-edge equipment ensures seamless assembly, enhancing efficiency and consistency in our manufacturing process. Accuracy is our priority. Before any product leaves our facility, it undergoes rigorous accuracy checks and batch testing. We set the bar high and benchmark our performance against the best to ensure we deliver nothing but excellence. Our radiators and condensers are tested on DLT and HLT to ensure leak-proof product. At NBR Cooling Systems, our commitment to excellence knows no bounds. With a global reach spanning across continents, our products are trusted by industries worldwide. Our dedication to customer satisfaction transcends geographical boundaries. With a network of satisfied OEM clients across the globe, we continue to expand our footprint and uphold our reputation as a trusted partner in cooling solutions. At NBR Cooling Systems, the safety and skill development of our employees are paramount. We believe that a safe workplace is a productive workplace, and our commitment to fostering a culture of safety is at the core of everything we do. At NBR Cooling Systems, our success is built on the foundation of our dedicated workforce. By prioritizing employee safety and skill development, we not only protect our most valuable asset, but also ensure the continued quality of our products and services. At NBR Cooling Systems, we don't just provide products, we deliver reliability worldwide. Join us on our journey as we continue to set new standards of excellence across the globe.